happy na yung pinag-usapan namin, nangyari lahat, na-execute lahat. So pag ganun naman, regardless ng result, happy kami kasi nagawa namin trabaho namin. So bonus na rin na next straight sets.
Thank you, Coach, and for Sabi, another consistent game for you for PLDT. Just how good does it feel for you to be able to really get back into your game and have the PLDT High Speed Killers win?
This game, I definitely had some areas I had to work on, but it just shows me. Thank you. It just shows me that obviously, like, I'm not at my 100 yet, so it just keeps, showing me lessons that I can improve on.
Sabi yun, for that best player of the game, gano'n ka lang din sa ka-proud sa team na gano'n nakakuha kayo ng mga early wins conference?
Nakaka-proud siya kasi yung may goal kasi kami talaga as a team. So kahit papaano, maganda kasi talaga yung preparation namin. And syempre tulong na din ng mga coaches, nagsa-scout sila, then ina-apply naman namin sa training. So talagang hindi na bago sa amin yung galaw namin, kailangan na lang talaga namin masundan yung kung ano yung plano, yung sa sistema na ini-input talaga nila coach namin.
Thank you. For some questions.
For Coach, yun nga, 3-0 start, kahit mahaba yung season, ano yung nakikita nyo pang kailangan na i-improve pa ng team, lalo na yung mga susunod nyo yung pabigat na pabigat yung games?
Ever since naman siguro yung consistency na every game, huwag kami either yung maging complacent o maging frustrated sa mga nangyayari. So more on dun sa parang mag-respond sa mga nangyayari pa na mas maging mature kami para pag mga stronger teams yung katapat, alam namin yung gagalaw na.
So for Sabi, still unbeaten in your return with PLDT, what do you think does it come down to so far for PLDT in terms of your perfect start? Is there a particular change that has happened, or it's the same old formula that has worked so far for you?
I think just coming back and being involved in practice again. I don't think there's much that have changed. Like obviously we work hard, our preparation's really nice, and we just know how to adjust to certain teams. I think we just show up every day working harder than the last. So I think as a team we're just growing in general as a group. And it's really fun to see how much we can do. So I'm just excited to see, give us more time and we'll see how it goes.
And for Kat, ano yung siguro nakikita mo ngayon na pinaka-significant change or aspeto sa laro nyo kaya ngayon, trio start pa rin Verso?
Siguro yung maturity. Kasi yun yung talagang kulang talaga sa amin eh. I mean, lalo na yung consistency namin na kahit anong sino yung kalaban, kahit anong kabigat, yung pressure, yung sa crowd, yung nangyayari, talagang hindi kami dapat na panghinaan ng loob, yung ganong Kasi, syempre, lesson learned na din sa mga nangyari ng mga conferences. So, kailangan namin mag-matured na alam namin yung role namin sa team and alam din namin kung paano pa-improve yung individual at lalo na as a team.
Sabi, what else are you doing to improve your game for the next games?
I don't think there's much different. I mean, now that I've rehab and stuff and I'm back kind of in the day-to-day with practice, it's more just about becoming the player that they need me to be and less so much focus on myself. I'm just trying to fill any role that I can to contribute to this team. So that's my main goal.
Coach, 3-0 nga kayo. Of course, comfortable wins in first three. Siguro, how are you looking na kumbaga next few games kasi mabibigat na rin na hindi magkaroon ng complacency team na coming off easy wins or comfortable wins?
Actually, yung results nung past 3 games hindi masyadong nag-a-affect sa amin eh. Nandun pa rin talaga kami sa pagpa-mindset kung paano namin i-look forward yung mga stronger teams. Yun nga, parang nabanggit ko kanina, bonus na lang na nagiging easy wins, pero dagdag na lang talaga na may momentum kami going to those hard games. Pero yun yung mindset pa rin talaga na regardless kung gaano kabigat, dapat mag-show up kami lagi.
Coach, speaking of yung small schedule, medyo mahaba nga kasi yung mga gaps in between ng games nyo. Is there, nakakatulong ba yun for you in terms of preparation, recovery?
Sobra. Kasi nababalance out namin lahat from pahinga to scouting to individual to team preparation. So okay yung schedule namin. Hindi ko lang gano'n nakita pa yung after ng December. Pero so far, ngayon hanggang December na last game namin. Okay kami kasi once a week lang kami naglalaro. So sana ma-maintain kahit sa mga susunod na conferences para yung health din ng players maging 100% hanggang dulo.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.